Welcome to our channel Rosemary Jasmar. In this video we have vegetable moussaka. This delicious layered casserole of eggplants, potatoes with meat mixture and topped with a tomato sauce. It's really a tasty dish. For this recipe I have also added pine nuts which make this dish more tasty. So starting by frying them with a little vegetable oil, then remove from the heat. Now in the same pan add some olive oil, add the onion to the pan and stirring until soft. Add sliced green chili. Add the mince. I'm using veal meat, stir to break up and brown. Our fresh rosemary. Add chopped garlic. When the meat is nearly cooked through, add the tomato paste. Now let's add the spices: black pepper, 7 spices and salt. Add the chopped tomatoes and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. The mixture should be quite dry. Now turn off the heat, add our golden pine nuts and the meat mixture is ready. Thinly slice the potatoes. You need the potatoes thin slices to cook correctly in the oven like this. Here in this casserole, spread a layer of fried eggplants. Then spread the potato slices over eggplants. Spread the meat mixture over the potatoes. Repeat the layers 2 more times until all of the potatoes and meat have been used, and finally spread a layer of fried eggplants. To complete moussaka, we will add tomato sauce, some tomato paste dissolved in water with salt and pepper. At this point, if you see the sauce is not enough, you can add a little bit more of water. Bake in the oven for 35 minutes or until bubbling. Here it is. I wish you could smell this. If you want to make more of our recipes, please subscribe to our channel.